If your skin has been feeling dull, unbalanced, or not responding well to your usual routine, the missing step might be a facial toner. Toners help to remove leftover impurities, balance your skin's pH, and prepare it for the rest of your skincare products. But not all toners are created equal. Some exfoliate, others hydrate, and some soothe irritation. In today's video, we'll go through the best facial toners, ranking from number 1 to number 5, so you can choose the perfect one for your skin's unique needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, COSRX AHA Bath COSRX BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner is a gentle exfoliating toner that helps to keep skin smooth, clear, and refreshed. Known for its minimalistic yet effective Korean skincare formulation, it targets dead skin buildup and clogged pores without being overly harsh. This makes it ideal for people dealing with dullness, uneven texture, and blackheads who still want a toner that won't strip their skin. It's a versatile product suitable for most skin types, especially those prone to congestion. Key features: this toner contains apple fruit water for natural AHA content, willow bark water for BHA benefits, and glycolic acid for mild surface exfoliation. It also includes allantoin and panthenol to soothe and hydrate the skin while exfoliating. Its pH balance formula ensures that it works effectively without disrupting the skin barrier. The fine mist spray packaging allows for an even and refreshing application without the need for cotton pads. Benefits and usage: COSRX BHA toner helps remove dead skin cells, prevents breakouts, and brightens dull complexions. The mild acids work gradually to smooth texture and promote clearer skin over time. To use: spray directly onto cleansed skin and gently pat until absorbed, or apply with a cotton pad if preferred. It can be used daily for normal skin, or every other day for sensitive types. Always followed by sunscreen in the morning. Usability: the lightweight, non-sticky texture makes it easy to incorporate into both morning and evening routines. The spraying nozzle is convenient for quick application and reduces product waste. It layers well under serums and moisturizers, making it a low-maintenance addition to any skincare lineup. The formula's gentleness allows for consistent use without excessive dryness or irritation. Durability: a 150 milliliters bottle can last 2 to 3 months depending on frequency of use. Its stable formula remains effective until the last drop, and the airtight spray bottle prevents contamination. With continued use, many notice long-term improvements in skin clarity and texture, making it a reliable choice for gentle exfoliation. We have Neutrogena Alcohol-Free. Neutrogena Alcohol-Free Toner is a classic, hydrating toner designed to refresh and cleanse the skin without causing dryness or irritation. Formulated without alcohol, it's a gentle option for people who want a simple, fuss-free toner that won't strip away natural oils. This makes it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin, and perfect for daily use to maintain a balanced, clean complexion. Key features: this toner features a mild, water-based formula enriched with skin conditioning agents, like glycerin, which helps draw and retain moisture in the skin. It's fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, reducing the risk of irritation. The lightweight consistency ensures it penetrates quickly without leaving a sticky or greasy feeling. It's also non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, making it a safe choice for acne-prone users. Benefits and usage: Neutrogena Alcohol-Free Toner helps remove leftover dirt, oil, and cleanser residue while hydrating and refreshing the skin. It restores the skin's natural pH after cleansing, preparing it for serums and moisturizers. To use: apply to a cotton pad and sweep gently over the face and neck after cleansing, both morning and evening. It's gentle enough for twice daily use and pairs well with almost any skincare routine. Usability: the clear, fluid texture absorbs quickly and leaves skin feeling soft and comfortable. Its simplicity makes it a low-risk option for those trying toner for the first time. The bottle design is straightforward, with a small opening for controlled pouring, ensuring you don't waste product. Durability: a 250 milliliters bottle generally lasts 2 to 3 months with daily use. The formula is stable and remains fresh for a long time, making it a dependable staple for consistent hydration and cleansing support in any skincare regimen. Coming in at number 3 is the Garnier Micellar. Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is a multitasking skincare product that doubles as a gentle toner. While primarily known as a makeup remover, it's also excellent for cleansing and refreshing the skin without rinsing. It uses Micellar technology to lift away impurities and excess oil while keeping skin soft and hydrated, making it a versatile product for people seeking simplicity and efficiency in their skincare. Routine. Key features: this formula uses Micellar's tiny cleansing molecules that attract and trap dirt and makeup suspended in soft water. It's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Some variants include added ingredients like rosewater or oil for extra benefits, but the classic version is lightweight and non-greasy. Its gentle nature ensures it won't disrupt the skin barrier. Benefits and usage: Garnier Micellar Water cleanses, tones, and refreshes the skin in one step. As a toner, it removes residual impurities post-cleanse while lightly hydrating the skin. Simply soak a cotton pad and sweep it over your face and neck. No rinsing needed. It's perfect for morning refreshes, makeup removal, or as the final step in your cleansing routine before applying skincare products. Usability: the watery consistency feels light and refreshing, leaving no residue. It's ideal for busy routines, travel, or those who want fewer products in their regimen. The bottle's flip cap design allows for easy dispensing without spills, and it comes in multiple sizes for convenience. Durability: a 400 milliliters bottle can last 3 to 4 months with regular use, making it highly cost-effective. The formula is shelf-stable and maintains its cleansing and toning properties until the last drop, providing consistent results over time. Taking our 4th spot is Badescu Rosewater's Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs. And Rosewater is a cult favorite hydrating mist often used as a refreshing toner. It's loved for its lightweight hydration, soothing botanical extracts, and versatility in skincare and makeup routines. While it can be used throughout the day, it also works beautifully as a toner step after cleansing, prepping the skin for further treatment. Key features: this facial spray contains aloe vera for soothing hydration, rosewater for calming and balancing, and gardenia extract for added nourishment. It's free from alcohol, making it safe for dry and sensitive skin. The fine mist allows for even coverage and can be applied multiple times without overwhelming the skin. Its pleasant botanical scent adds a spa-like feel to daily skincare. Benefits and usage: this spray hydrates, soothes, and refreshes the skin instantly. As a toner, it helps maintain skin moisture and prepares it for serums and moisturizers. 2. Use: simply spritz onto the face after cleansing and let it absorb naturally or pat in gently. It can also be used over makeup to set and refresh during the day, making it a versatile beauty tool. Usability: the spray format makes application effortless and quick, with no need for cotton pads. Its portability means you can carry it in your bag for hydration on the go. The formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving stickiness or residue, fitting seamlessly into any skincare routine. Durability: a 236 milliliters bottle typically lasts 2 to 3 months, depending on frequency of use. Since only a few sprays are needed per application, it's economical for daily skincare and touch-ups. The formula remains effective and fresh until the last drop. And finally, at number 5, we have Kiehl's Calendula. Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extract Toner is a premium, alcohol-free toner formulated with whole calendula petals to calm and balance the skin. known for its luxurious feel and soothing properties. It's ideal for normal to oily skin types and those prone to redness or irritation. This toner has been a Kiehl's best seller for decades, thanks to its consistent results and gentle, natural formulation. Key features: the toner contains calendula extract and whole flower petals for anti-inflammatory benefits, along with allantoin for soothing and burdock root extract for balancing oil production. It's free of alcohol and harsh synthetics, ensuring it doesn't strip the skin. The visible petals in the bottle are a signature feature, adding both visual appeal and botanical potency. Benefits and usage: Kiehl's Calendula toner helps to calm irritation, reduce redness, and control excess oil without overdrying. It also prepares the skin to absorb subsequent products more effectively. Apply with a cotton pad over cleansed skin, focusing on areas prone to oiliness or irritation. It can be used daily, morning and evening, as part of a complete skincare routine. Usability: the lightweight liquid absorbs quickly, leaving a refreshed, balanced feel. Its mild scent and gentle formula make it pleasant for everyday use, even for those with reactive skin. The bottle's controlled opening prevents waste, allowing for precise application each time. Durability: a 250 milliliters bottle lasts 2 to 3 months with consistent use. The botanicals remain fresh and effective throughout the product's shelf life, delivering lasting benefits with regular use. This toner's soothing and balancing properties make it a long-term favorite for many skincare enthusiasts. That's our list of the best facial toners. From exfoliating formulas to deeply hydrating mists, a toner can make all the difference in how your skin looks and feels, helping it stay balanced, clear, and ready to absorb the rest of your skincare products. Whether you want gentle hydration, pore refinement, or a soothing touch, there's an option here to match your needs. Consistency is key. Choose one that fits your skin type and routine, and let it work its magic over time.